Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete Jean Morin's Letter Quest in Heartopia. First, just go and talk to Dorothy to accept the quest, and then after that, you will be asked to meet Kaching. And when you talk to Kaching, you will unlock a new activity. It's a drawing, like a drawing, and then you will get the prize to quest like this. And then next, you need to buy a draw board like this, a drawing board like this, and then just purchase it. And then next, just take the drawing board like this, just take the drawing board and then place it anywhere that you like. And then like this, just place it, for example like this. And then next, just tap on the draw icon, and then after that, just tap on the brush icon to start the drawing. And then in here you can draw freely, or even do coloring or new coloring, and then or even you can edit your artwork. And in this video, I will choose coloring mode like this, and then just choose the picture that you want to coloring like this, and then just tap on start painting. Just tap on start painting, and then in here I will select the bucket tool and pick the color. Just pick the color that you like, and then just start coloring like this, and then just start coloring like this. Just be creative as you like. And once you're done, just go talk to Kaching again like this. And then in here, Kaching will ask you to view the drawing again, your draws. Just open your backpack and then just select the drawing board again, and then just place it. And then after that, just tap on the open gallery or view gallery like this. And the final step, just talk to Kaching one more time. And finally, you will be asked to use this drawing activity to design artworks on clothes. And for this, I will show that part in another video. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can complete Jean Morin Letter Quest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.